My name is Lady Joanna. I was born in November 23 of 1981. I'm 37 years old. I am a friendly and cheerful person. I am responsible and humble person. I like to go to the rehearsals of the choral. I like to play with my baby. I like to listen to music and sing pop music. I don't like ironing clothes. I don't like get up early. I live in Ocaña, north of Santander. My favorite book is 100 Years of Loneliness. I love reading the Bible every day. My favorite celebration is on December, Christmas. December is a time to share with my family. I love Christmas because some relatives come. The tradition is to wear new clothes and prepare some food. On December 24, we celebrate Christmas. We prepare for the 24th of December. It is tradition in my land, preserved and freer. We prepare a special food like turkey and tamales. We all wear new, elegant, and beautiful clothes. We exchange gifts and give each other hugs. We dance all night long. I am reading the book Lost in the Time of Cholera by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. I am reading to the Bible every day. I am watching the Netflix series The Boat. Every day I see the news of noon. I am watching to The Voice Kids every night. On weekend I am watching to Tron Games HBO series. I am listening to Danilo Montero critical music. I am listening to classic music for sleep. I always get that at 8 a.m. I'm having breakfast at 8:30 and I study English. I make lunch and I take my children to school. I arrive my house and study until 6 in the afternoon. I prepare lunch and play with my children and I help them do the homework. I always get at 8 a.m. and make breakfast. I usually make the lunch every day. I rarely wash clothes at night. I never make soap for food. I always wash the dishes. I often cook kitchen for long. I sometimes don't cook so on Sundays. I never cook rice at dinner. I always make us lunch at 12 o'clock. We must wear short sleeves and short shirt is used for spring. We must wear short sleeve shirt and sweatshirt are also worn. We must wear swimsuit, sandal, flip-flop in summer. We must wear dress Bermuda short in summer. We must wear sweater in autumn. We must wear jacket in autumn. We must wear the shirt at Eastward in autumn. We must wear coat in winter. We must wear that in winter. We must wear the scarf gloves in winter.